Hola and welcome back to my channel. This video will help you in making a LinkedIn company page and how to update it in your profile. So let's get started. I am going to show this demo video with the help of a celebrity account who also owns such a company page. As you can see, his company page of Beer Biceps on his own LinkedIn profile. So firstly, log into your LinkedIn profile. This is my profile. Now, move to the top right corner and scroll down to create a page icon. Click it. Now you can see the 4 options on the new window, which is of first is of small business, which has the fewer than 200 employees. Second is the medium to large businesses. Third is being the showcase page, and fourth is the educational institution. Now I own an online media platform of YouTube, which is handled by me, so here I will choose the small business. Next page will give you to a display of page identity settings, the company details, the profile details. Now as you can see in the profile details, you need to be first do some earlier preparations by preparing or making a logo and channel art image ready so that you can upload it to your company page profile which you will be creating. So this is mine, a sample one. So now getting started with your page creation, you first also need to keep some information ready with respect to your links. Now in my view, I am making the company page of my YouTube and online media platform as I informed you. So first you need to enter the name. It may be whatever of your choice which you want to keep it. Then next is the LinkedIn public URL. So this URL will be seen in the upward link just as you can see on the screen. So it will appear here at the top. So that name is the one which you need to keep, and it can be of any of your choices. Now you can already save your this kind of link in your notepad, or you can directly take it from your channel or your blog or whichever page of your content. So this is my YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe to it. It has some amazing content. So getting back to our work, after entering the website, next comes is about the company details. The first section is of the industry. You can choose any of the industries of your choices. My being the online media platform, I will choose that. There are n number of options available. Another section is of the company size, from 0 to 200 employees. Another section is of the company type. You can choose any. Now, coming to the important part of the profile details, click the icon of choose files to select your own logo. I will soon upload another videos of how to make the logos and channel art. For that you need to keep just subscribing to my channel and stay tuned. So now you can see on the screen in the side part, in the page preview section, it appears. You need your tagline. Do put your tagline of your choice, and it needs to be of some useful, or you can say meaningful, so as to attract the audience. You need to verify that being an authorized representative of the organization or the company page you will create, and then click the create page icon. Now you can see an error has been arrived saying this public URL is already in use. Now this is why, because there is already a matching name of the LinkedIn's public URL which you have mentioned. So there is one more another company page which has the same name. So what you can do is you can change your name as per I am doing on the screen. Now again click the create page and it is done. You will see your new company page has been created within just 5 minutes of time. You can see many other information on the screen. Now it's time to put some description about your page, giving details of what is it and how it is and what content you will be provided to your audiences. So this is my description which I want to provide to my audience, which are you. Now next you can see the other options available of website URL which you have already included. Now as seen on the screen, you can add your specialities. It's similar to the keywords which we put, so that other audiences or people who want to search can find you easily with some of your specialty words. So I am putting some of like YouTube content creation and etc. as you can see on the screen. You can put it as per your choices. It's not necessary to upload or insert up to 20 words. You can just put to a minimum count. Click the save button. Your changes have been saved. You can also visit other options of page information if you want to edit or modify it. There are buttons. So this is an example of a button named visit website which you can see on your company page. If you want to add other, you can add like of register and sign up buttons also, as you can see here. The other sections are about the overview, the locations. You can add your locations. Now in this video my focus is to show you how to create a page and not add any other extra sections, but you can do it. Now here there is a section of hashtags, so you can add that too, as hashtags are of trend nowadays. So you need to add the hashtags which are similar to your content or your data which you are providing. You can also delete that if you want to remove any. Then we have the group name, the manage languages. You can skip that part. Now coming to your cover image, which I said about the channel art image or the cover image. So go press the edit button. As you can see on the screen, upload your cover image. Or you can, if you don't want, you can just keep it as it is. And you can drag your image upwards, downwards as per your view and save the changes. Now you can see the screen. Your company page created. You can also view it as a member, because now you are the admin of your page, so you have the option to view it as a member too. So your page will look like this after the creation. Seems all good. And so you can check your website here by clicking the button. To check if the website which you keep it perfectly works or not. Now you need to refresh your profile so as to update your company page into your own LinkedIn profile. Scroll down. As you can see, I have the experiences and my recent experiences of the blogger. So my newly created company page will come in top of that. Now go to the ad section, as you can see, and scroll down to the work experience option. Press it a pop-up window will appear like this. Now add the title which you want of your company page. Your company name, as you have already created it, it will occur in the options. Select it, add the location if you want. Next, you can choose the start date so that your networks could see all of your provided data. You can add the description also and change the headline. As you can see on the screen, there is option of share with networks, which is off right now. So if you want, you can on it and make it visible to all your networking, so that people can be notified about your new positions. Save it and it's done. You will receive a message of your position has been added. Now this is a mandatory option that you need to enter. So I have entered this for just showing to you people. Press the done button. And yeah, finally you can see on my dashboard besides my name, and also the headline is been changed. Just similar to the profile which I have shown you. Voila, you can see here the company page has occurred successfully. So that's it for now. Also, adding to this, you can edit your headline if you want to change it like this. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. There are many such contents which I like to provide so that your work comes to an ease. So please do subscribe. So this is my page, the final one. This is my YouTube channel.